Hey YouTubers, Lonnie here. I wanted to share this video with you. I got 3 products here. I got some hog ring pliers, I got some DeWalt hog ring pliers, and I have a tape machine here, and it's for sealing up 1-pound bags of sausage or burger. This is the hog ring pliers by DeWalt. Comes with a box of 1,000 hog rings. Now, all you got to do to load or unload this is push this in at the back, pull this little tab up, pull this back, and here's your staples. They are just like a set of staples. I mean, but these are hog rings. Just drop them in here. To load it, push on the back. It's loaded. Just put your finger right here and push in. You'll see this right here raise up. Just push out on it and it will come out. Now when you load it, put your hog rings in there, bring it in, put your finger right there and just slide it in, lock it in place. These staples do not work very well with this here. As you can see, it doesn't put it tight enough. It's too loose, so it's no good here. I got the smaller hog ring pliers here. I bought a box of 3/8 inch hog rings, comes 100 to a pack. These here is really good for sealing up 1-pound bags of sausage or burger. See the grooves? They're on top and bottom. Just take your hog ring, slide it in there, and it holds it in place. You don't have to worry about it falling out until you get ready to use it. And then if you just stick it through there like so, squeeze it down, and that works really well. Now this is a tape machine. This is really good for sealing up burger or sausage. It has rubber feet on the bottom of it so it doesn't slide. All you got to do is take your burger, slide it in there, and then right here you can just cut off the excess, and then you're set to go, and it seals it really well. Okay, that's my take on these 3 products. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.